Dear students and dear viewers, welcome back to my channel Future I. In this video, let us learn how to prove the theorem on areas of similar triangles. First, let me know you how this theorem can be asked in the examination. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Children, as the said in the theorem statement, there have to be two similar triangles. Hence, first let me take two similar triangles. The first triangle is ABC and the second triangle is PQR. Now these two triangles are similar. So in similar triangles, corresponding angles will be equal. A will be equal to P, B will be equal to Q, and C will be equal to R, and corresponding sides will be proportional. Means AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. This is the basic concept you have already learned. Now here you just remember these two triangles are similar. Now what we have to prove actually is areas of these two triangles ratio. Means area of ABC by area of PQR is equals to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. Means AB by PQ whole square, BC by QR whole square, which equals to AC by PR whole square. Now let us start to prove this theorem. As you know that theorem has to be proved by 4 steps. Very first step is given. Children, look at the figure. Here there are two triangles ABC and PQR. These two are similar triangles. Hence, given is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Next step to prove. As I said, ratio of these two triangles, I mean area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to square of their corresponding sides. Means AB by PQ whole square, BC by QR whole square, AC by PR whole square. Next step, construction. Look at the figure, children. I have drawn a perpendicular AM to the side BC. Means AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. That is the construction. Draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. So all these three steps are very simple. Next, let us move on to the last step and important one, proof. Now here we have two triangles. Now let us find area of ABC and area of PQR generally. So just like this, children, area of ABC. You know that how to find area of triangle. We have a formula for that, half into base into height. So in the first triangle, base is BC and height is AM. Hence, we'll get half into BC into AM. Similarly, in the second triangle, base is QR and height is PN. Hence, half into QR into PN. Now, here, half and half gets cancelled. And what is left out? That is BC into AM by QR into PN. Now, this consider as equation number 1 and write proper reason. Now, let us compare these two triangles, ABM and PQN. Just observe these triangles in the figure, children. Have you observed? Yes. These are those triangles which I have shaded in red and which I have shaded in yellow. Now compare these two triangles and show these two triangles are similar. Now we can easily show these two are similar because angle B equals to angle Q. Can you say the reason? That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This we studied in given itself. When these two triangles are similar, all its corresponding angles are equal. Hence, B equals to Q we are taking. Similarly, this angle AMB means this angle. This angle is equals to this angle. Why? These two angles are equals to 90 degree. You can write each angle equals to 90 degree or else you can write construction. Now here we have shown two pair of corresponding angles are equal. Hence, now these two triangles are similar according to AA similarity criterion. Children, you all studied when two triangles are similar, all its corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. Hence, I am taking which is helpful for this theorem, that is AB by PQ is equals to AM by PN. I am neglecting DM and QN. If you want, you can take, but no the help of that. Hence, I neglected. I have taken AB by PQ is equals to AM by PN. And this you write it as equation number 2. And reason is simple. As I said, sides of similar triangles are proportional. Now, but we have studied triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR in the given. And there I said, when two triangles are similar, all corresponding sides are proportional. And also corresponding angles will be equal. But here which is helpful for us, I mean sides, hence I am considering sides. That is AB by PQ, BC by QR and CA by RP. This you can write it as AC by PR also, children. And this you call it as equation number 3. Now compare all three equations. Equation 1 is here. Equation 1 is here. Equation 2 is here. And equation 3 is here. Now understand very clearly, children. So in the place of AM by PN, can I write AB by PQ? Yes, because here I have proved AB by PQ is equals to AM by PN. Now you just understand here, what is that? AB by PQ is that. But now look at equation 3, children. Here I have AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. Now here what I have? BC by QR I have. Hence I am removing this. And in this place I am writing what? AB by PQ only. So then try to understand again. I have removed this and I have written AB by PQ with the help of equation 2. and with the help of equation 3 I have removed this and I have written AB by PQ. Now see here, AB into AB is left out in numerator and in denominator we have PQ into PQ. So AB into AB is AB square, PQ into PQ is PQ square. See, this is what we got. So this we have got from what? By comparing equation 1, 2 and 3. Now multiply these children. Multiply numerators, AB into AB, as I said, AB square, and PQ into PQ is PQ square. So finally we can write AB by PQ whole square. But actually what we wanted to prove? We wanted to prove AB by PQ whole square, which equals to BC by QR whole square, which equals to AC by PR whole square. But here we have proved only one pair of corresponding sides. AB by PQ whole square. This is only one pair of corresponding side square. Remaining two sides there that we can easily prove of children by writing the statement similarly by using 3. Look at here equation 3. See now here I have AB by PQ. So AB by PQ I can replace BC by QR. In that time it will become BC by QR. In the place of AB by PQ, if you write AC by PR, we'll get AC by PR whole square. Hence, nothing to confuse here children. After proving this, directly you write off similarly by using 3 what we wanted to prove. That is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to this. Dear students, I hope you have understood this theorem. So please like, share and subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.